national education policy, a lot of changes are coming. The table is being turned in education. And accordingly, it is said, by the time the student reaches class 9, he has to plan his life. But I say even 9 is late. It must be 7 or 8. Planning of life. At least by the time the child reaches 9, he must have a hope. He must aspire to become something. That is very, very important. That aspiration to become something. See, there the interest of the child is given importance, not the interest of the parent. Child is not interested in studies. Child is not interested in mathematics and science subjects. But father or mother, they want their child to become an engineer or a doctor. See, we have to identify the talent in the child, and we have to, of course, you can motivate the child for the subject. But if he is still not there, never press him for that. But there are umpteen number of openings. See, career development or career counseling is not done properly in our place. So children, by the time they reach class 9, we must give a career orientation along with the parent. There are umpteen number of careers which are much better than the most coveted careers they think. So that's a very, very important thing. The first thing the child has to develop is self-confidence. Child must feel that I am capable, I am good, I am good, I am good. That sort of a thing should be there. So my dear children, you must have good self-confidence. I am able to do that. I want to reach there. I want to become a scientist or whatever you like. Then you have to have that longing in your mind all the time, and you'll work for that. But one thing is there, you may be interested in cricket or in games, but you cannot spend the entire time for game because you must have basic standard education. So the basic education, there is no holiday for that. You have to definitely give due importance to that. But by the time you complete your +2, you can definitely choose a career of your choice. Of course, while you choose a career also, you have to definitely consult and you have to study what are the openings before me. And in this, the parent has a pivotal role. Parents have to see, they may take, even there are a lot of experts in career. So they have to read them, listen to them, talk to them, and ascertain what type of career is going to suit my child according to his interests. Then they definitely that has to be given preference. Vocational education is really good because the present day the main problem is unemployment, especially in the field of engineering. Lot of unemployment is there. Likewise, whenever there is fully qualified people not getting a job, it's a very sad situation. So for that, we have to have vocational education right from early class. I think by class 8 or so it is going to be taken up. So that is definitely a great advantage of this because we will be to a great extent be able to defeat unemployment in our country if that is done. See, in our country, education below 8 years is totally unorganized. Totally unorganized. Some Anganwadis, KG, it's all not streamlined. So in the new policy, I think that is getting totally systematized. So it's going to be very systematic, and definitely that will have a real impact. And this 5+3+3+4, that's a very good. And the ultimate purpose we all know is universal education, especially girls, 100% education. 100% education to girls. That's a good thing. Even disabled, we cannot disregard. And also the main problem in our country is many children, maybe in schools or in colleges, they leave, drop out. So prevention of dropout is also given a lot of importance. So I think dropping out must be taken up as a social problem. So every person in the society must be concerned about why this boy has stopped studies, why this girl stopped studies. That should be there. I think there are many measures to defeat that in that policy. That's a very good thing. And also regarding language learning, early years, I think 3 languages can be introduced. That's a good idea. Children learn language very well in very early ages. If you start teaching language to a illiterate adult, it is difficult. It takes more time. Whereas the child will definitely learn it, pick up early. Schooling, of course, after schooling, you will be going for higher studies. Regarding higher studies, good number of individuals in our country are not going for higher studies. So now, according to the new policy, by 2035, 50% of adults must have received higher education. So that way also it is very good, very good. Higher education, because our literacy after +2 is not a happy data we have. So that is also one thing. You go to any area, any field, at the height there will be Indians.
I agree with you.
Capable. They genetically Indians are very So once when we compulsorily give higher education, we'll definitely get better results. There's no doubt about it. Because our culture, our background, everything is so different from other countries. We'll be able to excel in whichever field if we prepare our children right from the young age, and if we give them higher education also as well. Character shaping, character development, we will have to start in the tender age in the school itself. Very important. And there must be actually, first of all, we have to indoctrinate, we have to empower the teachers as to how to build it up. That is one thing. Suppose the teacher is always getting angry with there's no emotional control. So there we have to start from teachers, and definitely children must be parents. Parents have to be absolutely careful. What is the character? What is the character of my child? There are a lot of methods by which we can develop a child's character in the finest manner. So that must be given a lot of importance. It's very important. That's the right point you have said. Because if character is lost, everything is lost, isn't it? So that I think all educators, all parents, and all students, this is very important. If your character is fine, you have a good life. If your character is lost, your life will not be, definitely will not be a happy life. And sometimes you may resort to the sort of damages, self-damages.